Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make Paneer Fried Rice. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Wash and soak 1 cup of Basmati rice in water for half an hour and drain the water. Boil 1.5 liters of water in a pan and add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of oil. Add the soaked rice and cook it over medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes. Now drain the water and allow it to cool. Keep it aside. Take 200 grams of cubed paneer in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 pinch of salt. Mix well. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a thick bottomed pan and add the paneer cubes. Saute this for 2 minutes over medium flame. Now take it out and keep it aside. In the same pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over high flame and saute 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. When it turns light brown, add half a cup of finely chopped spring onion whites, half a cup of finely chopped carrot, half a cup of finely chopped beans, half a cup of finely chopped cabbage and a little salt. Saute this till the onion turns translucent. Now add 2 teaspoons of chili garlic sauce and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix well and add the cooked basmati rice. Mix well. Now add the fried paneer cubes, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped spring onion greens, 1 teaspoon of vinegar and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix well and turn off the flame. Paneer fried rice is ready to serve. Please try it out and post your feedback.